The man lifted up the heavy box from the ground. The man lifted up the woman and put her on his shoulders. The parent lifted up their child and swung him about. The group of friends lifted up the woman and carried her around. The woman lifted up the big Christmas present. The woman lifted up their right legs. The man lifted up the woman into the air. The boy lifted his legs up into the air. The new mother lifted her baby up into the air. Santa Claus lifted up some weights at the gym. The super strong penguin lifted up the dumbbells. The ant lifted up planet Earth. The man lifted up the weights with his legs. The crayon lifted up the cargo and put it on the ship. The worker, wearing a protective suit, lifted up the barrel of toxic waste. The man at the gym lifted up the weights. The man lifted up the dumbbell with his finger. The man lifted up 4 cardboard boxes. The removal man lifted up the black couch. The man lifted up the elephant and put him on his back. The woman lifted up the dumbbells with her strong arms. The father lifted up his son into the air. The swimmer lifted himself up out of the swimming pool. The woman lifted up the sofa to vacuum underneath it. The gardener lifted up the really giant stone. The dog lifted up its right leg.